Kissing or kissing each other in dream is about relations. If he kisses a familiar, he will come across that person shortly later. Someone kissing his darling will hear from her and meet her soon. Kissing a stranger means being friends with valuable, important person. A young girl or single woman kissing an unfamiliar man will get married in a short time. The dreamer kissing the hand of a superior person will get a support. The dreamer kissing a dead will reach or come together with someone loved and valuable. Someone kissing a bird will get a news. But if the dreamer kisses a wild animal, he will have a damage or harm from his enemy. It means having support when you kiss an eagle. Someone kissing a diamond, precious stones, or money in dream is very fond of money and there will be no space for love in his life.